Good evening to every one of you. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to withdraw from Grow Network and how to make money from Grow Network. I have made two videos introducing you to the Grow Network. We just started about last week, or I did a video last week, and Grow Network is started in June or July. That's just about 2 months ago. Now, this Grow Network is a different type of crypto airdrop which we are looking at as the payout. The first set of people that started it early have already cashed out. Payment from Grow Network is usually when withdrawal or payment is on the 10th of every month that you get your withdrawal. The point you've made, you can withdraw it on the 10th of every month. That means those who decided in July, by this August, if they have reached the minimum threshold for withdrawal, they can withdraw. Now, the minimum that you can withdraw, you have to copy your USDT Web20 address and paste it in the Grow Network where it is asked that you should put it there. So that is where your money is going to be, the coin is going to be converted to USDT for you. And you need to know that 3,000 coin on the Grow Network is equivalent to 35 USDT or $35. And in Naira, that is 52,500 Naira. That is 3,000 Grow Network coin is equivalent to 52,500 Naira. That is cool money for a month for something that you just do once in a while. Now, apart from that, I need to let you know that when you paste it in the right place on the Grow Network, that means you copy your USDT Web20 address and paste it, then the minimum you can withdraw is 3,000 coin. So if you don't have up to 3,000 coin, when it's 10th of the month, you cannot withdraw. Now here I've done some kind of analysis. That 3,000 Grow points or Grow tokens is equivalent to if you divide it by 10, because every 1 hour you can make only 10. That means if you divide it by 10 that you can make, that will give you 300 hours. That means you need 360 minutes before you can get to 3,000 points if you are doing it in that way. So you need 300 hours to get 3,000 points at 10 points per circle. At some point your circle can increase to 15 points like my own, maybe because of the referral and activity on the app. Now let's do the calculation using the 10 points that you can get per circle. So if you are doing 3,000, you need 3,000 points, and each circle is 10 points. That means 3,000 divided by 10 points is going to give you 300 hours. Now that 300 hours is what you need to get to 3,000 points. Now in that case, if you are doing it for 10 hours per day, if you are clicking 10 hours per day, that means you need 30 days to get to 3,000 points. Then if you are clicking for 12 hours per day, that means you're able to click and mine 12 times per day. That means you need 25 days to get your 3,000 points, which is 2,500 Naira. If you are doing that at 8 hours per day, you need 38 days to get 3,000 points. And if you are mining at 6 hours per day only, you will get to the 52,500 Naira point, which is 3,000 points in 50 days. And if you are mining for only 4 hours per day, that means you mine only 4 times. You mine this time, after 1 hour you mine again, after 1 hour you mine again, only 4 times because you forgot or because of work. That means you need 75 days. So it goes on and on like that. So the number of days that you need to use is dependent on you. If you have any question or comment for me, you can ask in the comment section. Let's intensify our efforts so that by August 10, we all can smile to the bank and see how it goes. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have any questions or comments, ask in the comment section. Bye for now.